Welcome back to another tutorial for the 7 Deadly Sins Origin game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the 7 Deadly Sins Origin game on your device, and after you are taken into the home page, go ahead and click on Settings. From the Settings window, within the Control tab, you can now adjust your controller or your keyboard and mouse. Click on the Adjust button for either one of these based on which controller you are using, and now you will see all of the buttons that have been mapped. If you wish to change any of these buttons, go ahead and click on the button that you wish to change, and once you are prompted to enter your new key, just go ahead and press it. This will now set your new key that you have pressed for that action. You can customize all of these keys based on your desire, and you can go back once you are done by pressing the Escape button. After this, you can continue to play your game with your customized settings, and you can come back to this window at any point of time in order to readjust or make any changes based on your desire. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the 7 Deadly Sins Origin game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.